Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study as a medical student, step by step. First, identify your unique learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your approach. Next, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time each day. Finally, focus on high-yield topics and concepts that frequently appear on exams, ensuring efficient use of your valuable study time. Once you have your foundation, engage in active recall by using flashcards or practice questions to test yourself frequently. This method is far more effective than passive reading. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to cement it into your long-term memory. Additionally, try teaching difficult concepts to a study partner. Explaining things aloud helps you identify gaps in your own knowledge. When choosing study materials, select a few high-quality resources rather than overwhelming yourself with too many options. Remember to prioritize your well-being by integrating regular breaks and physical activity into your daily routine. This prevents burnout and improves focus. Don't hesitate to seek support from mentors or join study groups. Collaboration can provide new perspectives and reinforce learning. As exams approach, simulate test conditions by taking timed practice tests to build endurance and manage time effectively. After each practice session, meticulously review all incorrect answers to understand why you made mistakes and fill those knowledge gaps. This targeted approach is crucial for improvement. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.